This is the message that the northern elders don't want their youth to hear. But this northern youth don't come outside go explain that even gowon that is fought the war today are regretting why they didn't fought to keep Nigeria together. Everyone in Nigeria need to wake up. This message is coming from the northern youth. Tinubu don't want you people to hear this, and the northern elder don't want the north to hear this message. But we will share the video until all the whole northern youth hear this message from their brother. Please, I will leave you to watch the video. Don't forget to see there for Blabbergist, and as you watch them, they share the message.
The country, the people are growing. We are having large numbers of people, whereby that stealing has making many people to live in poverty. We are just struggling. Day by day, people are struggling. You can see everybody is struggling. What about people that are not working? How are they surviving? There are people that are dying because they don't have anything. No job, the government are not creating work. Instead of creating work, they are stealing the money. So you can see that alone is going to make this country to go to split. Whether we like it or not, I know that this country is not one. There are some people that want me to believe that this country is one, but I have to say it is not one. I discovered this country is not one. I think it should be 14 years from now. I discovered that this country is not one. So ever since I discovered that, I began to ask myself, what do we need in this country? Honestly speaking, what we need in this country, for me personally, is division. Everybody should just go his way. Which many people that are enjoying the public, the national cake, they don't want that to happen, and they're deceiving the common people. Because like if you go to the farm out, they're deceiving the common people. We have to keep Nigeria to be one. But you can see their people are dying in hunger, dying in starvation, and they are deceiving them. Instead of telling them the truth, they will not tell them the truth. They will continue to hide things for them. But the truth is that if Nigeria will be one, then we have to see it by our leaders. We need to see a person from the south ruling in the north. Like for example, let a person from Kaduna to be a governor in Lagos, then I will believe that Nigeria will be one. But because that can never happen, so I think Nigeria is not one. Everybody needs to just go his way. It's just a matter of time. I believe everybody will go his way. Thank you.
No, some northern political elites are calling for Nigerians division. Did they just mean it, or they are just paying lip service? The likes of Ango Abdullahi, Arewa Consultative Forum, saying that the only way they will separate structuring is to discuss the continued existence of Nigeria. Whether Nigeria will continue as one first. What is your perspective as an average northerner?
They refuse the restructuring, which is going to be the best way of governance. Since they refuse the restructuring, and now they are standing that that Nigeria that everybody should go away. I think some of them really understood that for Nigeria to go forward is for everybody to go his way. Because if everybody go his way, they are going to tide up their game. Because I believe that agriculture can make you to boost your economy, which in this country they have neglect agriculture. They do not are producing food, but the Boko Haram will not allow that. So if everybody go his way, I believe everybody will step up this game. They are not going to be relying on oil, because that is the only thing that is deceiving them not to become a better nation. So I believe that if we split, if Nigeria go on its way, peaceful split, which I want peaceful, I believe that if we peacefully split, that will be good enough. Because you can, like me now, I can even still be in Lagos while Nigeria split. You understand? I can be in any place where I want to be. Let him just split. Because if it split, I'm telling you, everybody will tide up his game. The northern, I don't know how they are going to be. I don't know how they will be, whether it's going to be the middle belt coming together to form their own country. I don't know how it's going to be, but I believe that it's going to be the best way of governance for us, because they will see other means of creating work for their people, other means of making life better for their people, instead of relying on that oil, which is not good for all of us.
With the insecurity in the north, do you think the Hamas and the ISWAP, the Boko Haram, will ever allow the North to find its path to development and progress again, even after Nigerian division. Don't you think that that is the reason why some Northerners don't want Nigeria to divide, because they believe that the North already has been hijacked by some Islamic radicals?
That one, I think they have to fight the evil. They have to fight those that have been sponsoring the SWAP, because the SWAP cannot wake up on their own to start killing people like that. They are sponsor people that supply them with gun, because those guys, they are not working. Those guys, if you check out, they are people that did not go to school. Majority of them, they did not go to school. Even if you listen to them in interview, the only thing that they can speak is only the Quran and Hausas and maybe the Fulani. So for me, if they will fight those people that are coordinating those things, those people that are that are supporting the terrorists, I think it will be good for them, and I believe that the north is going to be safe. It's going to be a safe zone for everybody to stay in the north, and it's going to be something for them to, to boost their economy. They will wake up and they will do something that is going to bring them to the spotlight, which I believe. But as it is right now, if they will not fight the evil, which are the people that are sponsoring that, then nothing will happen. Yes, we have to fight the evil. Even though I know fighting those evils sometimes it require, high capability of knowledge, and you need wisdom to fight those people, and you still need money to fight those people. I believe there are people in the north, the good people in the north. If they are ready to fight those people, they can do it. But if they are not ready, then I'm telling you, it will continue, because life of people is at risk. Day by day, life of people is at risk. People cannot go to farm. You can see it. Even the Muslim, they are killing themselves, because some of the Muslim will not agree to do the evil that some of the Muslims that are doing. So you can see the ones that are good. We need to wake up. We need to wake up. That is the only thing that can help us in this country. But the good thing for this country, I am telling you, not that I am trying to, maybe I am trying to support one side and leave the other side, but honestly speaking, I can say to you that this country need to divide. If we really want to grow in this our nation called Nigeria. Because if we do not divide, then I can still see that there will be no, there will be no hope for this country. Because whoever become president, you can see it will only come steal money, and that is the only thing they know how to do. They are not thinking of what can we build for the next generation, what structure can we put on ground, so that the next generation will come and see that this is what we have done. So they don't have that in mind. The only thing they have is to steal money, go to France. But I believe that, even the France, they will disgrace them. Time is coming, they will disgrace them. Nigerian leaders, they will be disgraced. Whether they like it or not, it's just matter of time. All those countries where they are embezzling money, keeping money there, the reason why those countries they will embarrass them is because your people are going to those countries. And one of the main reasons that your people are going to those reasons is because you deny them the liberty at home. The liberty to enjoy the blessing that God has given to them, you deny them. So they are going to those countries, and why those countries will embarrass them is because those countries too, they have youths, they have people that supposed to, be working in their factory, working in the country, not Nigerians. Because their people too, they will come in large number. Their population too will grow. Their people too, number of their people will grow. So by that, they will see that their people need work, and Nigeria have occupied the work. Many people come and they occupy the work. So from there, they will say it is high time to embrace those leaders, and they will embrace the leaders whether they like it or not. If they embrace them, then the next thing which I believe they will do is that they will help, to fight the corrupt that is going on, in our country, and which is going to help us. That alone will help us. If the good people, the good leaders, people from the America, Germany, Italy, the good leaders from there, if they will rise up and if they will help us, support us to fight the bad leadership that is going on, we will not be going to their country. There is no need. But as it is right now, if I have any opportunity to go to any of that country, I will go, because I will be respected in that country more than my country. Why am I saying I will be respected more in that country? Because in that country you work, they will give you a good health care insurance. So you can see, is there anything more than that? If you are sick, as I'm talking to you now, if I'm in UK or if I'm in America now, if I am sick, the first thing they will do, they will treat me first. That is the first thing they will do before they will ask for any money. But in my own country, if I am sick, I will die with my sickness if I don't have money. So you can see the difference. So it will even be good for me to even find my way to go to that country, because I believe those people, they need to rise up. They need to help us to fight the evil that is going on. If not, I don't see Nigeria becoming any better by the day, because day by day Nigeria is becoming trouble. Day by day the government is making life to be harder on the people, and it seems like they have used their voodoo power on the people. The people are not talking. I can say, yeah, the spirit of their voodoo is just everywhere, is working for them. Nobody is talking. You are feeling the pain, you cannot talk. So may God help us, and that their voodoo power, may God break that voodoo so that people will rise up. Not only rise up to take that which they have taken away from us, to take that which they are taking away from us. And you know what? The rights to healthcare which they have taken for us, the right to education which they have taken for us, the right to housing facility which they have taken for us, the social amenity which they have denied us. We need to rise up and get those things back to us.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. Share this message as you don't watch them, because the northern youth need to see and hear wetin dey happen. Make they understand the reason why Nigeria need to divide. Thank you.